Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a update for Firefox today. Firefox has updated to have some bug fixes. If you go to the upper right hamburger menu, go into Help and go into About Firefox, you will be updated to 132.0.2. Now, they had issued a fix for DRM encrypted media that were not playing or crashing, and it seemed that that fix was maybe not the best fix, as they have sent a new update that actually fixes that again. So if you had problems playing DRM type videos, this should be fixed according to Mozilla. They also fixed possible errors when playing encrypted media through some streaming providers. They've added a mitigation to help reduce the frequency of duplicated push notifications. They fix a hang when you're printing from some websites. So if you're using the system print dialog. They fixed a crash that could occur on Mac OS, and they fixed a crash in Network Monitor Development Tool. So a few bugs fixed. Apparently there's a few little things to do. Nothing security once again in here. So 132.0.2. If you had some issues, if you had anything going wrong, probably the biggest bug would be the playback of DRM video content. That seems to be an issue. This is probably fixed on this version. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.